and I wanted a piece of blueberry pie. So I went up and I asked this guy, but he only spoke Ojibwe. So I had to say, Minabushki Minasagani, Batusi Chikani, Bakwajigan. 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 And I wanted a piece of blueberry pie, so I went up and I asked this guy. He only spoke Ojibwe, so I had to say, oh, yeah. Minabushki Minasagani, Batusi Jigani, Bakwajigan. Minabushki Minasagani, Batusi Jigani, Bakwajigan. Minabushki Minasagani, Batusi Jigani, Bakwajigan. Blueberry pie. She grew up in an Indiana town, had a good-looking mama who never was around. But she grew up tall and she grew up right, with some Indiana boys on an Indiana night. Waita, waita, hey, She came here at the age of 18, blew the boys away, it was more than they'd seen. We were introduced and we both started grooving. She said, I dig you, baby, but I gotta keep moving on. I got a mahjong. Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. I don't know what I've been told. You never slow down, you never grow old. I'm tired of screwing up, I'm tired of going down. I'm tired of myself and I'm tired of this town. Whoa, my, whoa, hell yes. You gotta put on that jingle dress, buy me a drink, sing me a song, take me as I am, 'cause I can't stay long. Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. red house over yonder, where my baby stayed. There's a red house over yonder, where my baby stayed. I've been home to see my baby 99 and 1/2 days. Wait a minute, something's wrong. My key won't unlock this door. Oh no, I think there's something wrong. My key won't unlock this door. I got a bad, bad feeling my baby don't live here no more. Oh, it's alright, I still got my guitar to play. Show us how it's done. Michael Lyons on the guitar. There's a red house over yonder, where my baby stays. There's a red house over yonder, where my baby stays. But if my baby don't love me still, well, I know her sister. If my baby don't love me still, well, I know her sister. If my baby don't love me still, I know her sister will. Okay. All right. And finally, let's do a song by the Counting Crows. Oh. In a long December, well, there's reason to believe maybe this year will be better than the last. I can't remember the last thing that she said as you were leaving. Now the days go by so fast, and it's one more day up in the canyon, and one more night in Hollywood. And if you think that I could be forgiven, I wish you would. Na 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 na, yeah. The smell of hospitals in winter, and the feeling that it's all a lot of oyster and no pearl. But all at once you look across the crowded room to see the way light attaches to a girl. And it's one more day up in the canyon, one more night in Hollywood. And if you think that I could be forgiven, I wish you would. Na 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 na, yeah. Drove up to Hillside Manor sometime after 2 a.m. and talked a little while about the year. I guess the winter makes you laugh a little slower, makes you talk a little lower about the things you couldn't show her. And it's been a long December, and there's reason to believe maybe this year will be better than the last. I can't remember times I tried to tell myself to hold on to these moments as they pass. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is the lovely and the talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again. Gigawabamin,
Gigawabamin,
Minowa, Hoa.
Hoa. Give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Gigawabamin.